the hallway. It's the front room. And then we have the second living room. And we've got the kitchen. Got the new boiler, valiant boiler. Got storage here. A couple of storage here as well. Space for the washing machine. And there's storage. That's where all electric and gas meters are. And we go upstairs. Brand new carpets from stairways to the 3 bedrooms. First bedroom's the second largest bedroom. This is the master bedroom. And then we've got the smallest bedroom, the box room, like they say. And then we have the bathroom.